breaking updates now coming in. As the Bengaluru Stampede probe intensifies, the KSCA, the Karnataka State Cricket Association, has moved the Karnataka High Court, filing a writ petition. This is a big update coming in. The KSCA has sought the quashing of the FIR and the petition will be heard today. This is after, in court, the Karnataka government said that it was the RCB and KSCA responsible for the tragedy. Now the KSCA has moved High Court. My colleague Imran is joining us with that update. Imran, KSCA approaching the High Court seeking quashing of the FIR against them. What are the details?
Well, absolutely, the KSCA has moved the petition in the Karnataka High Court asking for quashing of the FIR. They said that their role has nothing in that stampede which happened. They had asked for permission within the Vidhan Sabha premises at the steps to conduct a fair program, and that was duly granted. So when the government has filed a case against them, what is their role in it? They have nothing much to do in the stampede which happened at Chinnaswamy Stadium or either outside the Vidhan Sabha. The lot of crowd gathered. They had asked for permission within the Vidhan Sabha, and the government had granted them. They followed all the legal rules and procedures, and based on that, they have followed up. So why is the case being built up against them is what they question, and regarding quashing of a fire, they have filed a petition. The High Court is coming up in the afternoon. We have to wait and see what the High Court decides on that.